In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image URL link in your Gmail signatures. This is a useful skill for enhancing the professionalism and personalization of your email communication, whether you're representing a business or simply want to add a personal touch to your emails. To begin, let's start by opening your Gmail account. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to enter your credentials. Once you're in your inbox, look towards the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon, which is the Settings button. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, select See All Settings. This will take you to a new page full of adjustable options for your Gmail account, helping you to customize your experience. Once you're on this settings page, navigate to the General tab. Here, you'll encounter a variety of settings that you can modify, but for the purpose of today's tutorial, you'll want to scroll down until you find the Signature section. If you already have a signature, you'll see it displayed here. Otherwise, you'll notice an option to create a new one. Click on plus Create New, and a pop-up window will appear asking you to name your signature. This name is for your reference only, so choose something that makes sense to you. Once you've entered a suitable name, click Create. Now, looking at the blank space where you can edit your signature, this is where you'll be adding your image URL link. What you'll need next is the URL for the image you wish to use. If you don't have one yet, you can host your image on a web server or use a free image hosting service to obtain a direct link. Once you have the image URL ready, return to your Gmail settings. Within the signature editor, there's an icon that looks like a landscape picture. It's usually located alongside options for font editing. Click this icon, which allows you to insert an image into your signature area. You'll then get a prompt to insert your image using a URL. Paste your copied image URL into the provided field and confirm by clicking Select. After successfully adding your image, ensure it's linked properly. To do that, highlight the image, then click on the link icon. It looks like a chain link, and it typically appears near the image editing options. Here, paste the URL address you want the image to link to in the dialog box. Once you've done that, ensure the details are correct and save your changes. Your image will now serve as a clickable link in your email signature. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This ensures that your new signature settings are applied. It's good practice to send yourself a test email to confirm that everything looks as it should, not only checking the image's visibility, but also verifying that it's linking correctly. That's it. You've successfully added an image URL link to your Gmail signature. This can help create a dynamic and interactive professional presence in all your email correspondence. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips on customizing your Gmail experience.